For years, okay, really decades, I struggled with making dumplings that would turn out. Sometimes they would disintegrate into the soup, other times they would just make the whole soup taste like flour. Then one day at a potluck, a dear friend of mine talked about her aunt's torn dumplings. This is the recipe. In a bowl, just add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 egg, and a cup of milk. You mix that all together. And then you make sure that your soup or broth or stew or whatever liquid you're going to use it in is at a full boil. And you use a teaspoon to drop little pieces of the dough into the soup. And I kind of spread it around as I'm dropping it. Don't always just put it in the same spot. And then eventually, oh gosh, within a minute or two, the dumplings are going to float. They're really kind of done at that point, but I like to boil it for about 3 more minutes, and then you know for sure it's really done. Your dumplings will stay together. They will be wonderful. This is a great recipe if you make your chicken and dumpling soup like I'm making here. This is a great one once you make it too. You can freeze it. They freeze really well, and then you can just thaw it out and reheat it. It's just a delicious recipe, and then you can find all of the details on this recipe on the website.